So this is day one after the 2-week challenge, and my total loss was 6.4 kilos. So I went down from 109.8 to 103.4. Little did I think when I was 132 kilos only 18 months ago that I'd ever get back down to this sensible weight. And actually I've now got no more than between 8 to 10 kilos to lose to where I would really want to be, which is sort of 93 to 95. And it's there, it's achievable. When I was 130, dark days of when I was 130 odd, it felt so far away, but it's tangible. I can sniff it, I can feel it. And
can we see your tummy?
Spurs me on to...
Can you turn around?
Spurs me on to
okay.
to go
Thank you.
for it.
That is a massive difference, Charles. Amazing. Well done.
And, you know...
What was the biggest struggle you had when you were doing this?
When I was doing this particular 2 weeks.
The 14-day kickstart
The
program.
14-day kickstart program. It was probably in week 2 when felt slightly disappointed that the weight loss seemed to stop. But that may be just part of the diet. I don't know whether or not it's the fact that it's the diet trying to prepare you for maintenance phase or not, or whether I'd not drunk enough water. But I was, in times gone by, I would have abandoned ship after 9 days and thought, But I thought, no, I'll power through and do the whole lot. And I got rewarded in the last 2 days by losing another kilo and a bit. So,
because you were satisfied with the 4 or 5 kilo you lost in 9 days.
But then felt I wouldn't have, you know, I would have abandoned ship. But this time I've been determined enough to do the whole program.
Oh, well done.
So yeah, 6.4 kilos is a lot, and it works out at just over 6% of my body weight, which is really good, and I'm really pleased.
I had that too,
so
didn't I?
My
6
press
kilos.
ups are good. I've got bags of energy when playing tennis. I'm going for balls that would have hitherto been can't be bothered, like at the baseline, and then I can run and get a drop shot at the net without feeling knackered and carry on playing. The thing is, yesterday we played 3 sets of pretty high quality, fast paced tennis, and I didn't feel knackered, which is brilliant.
So what did you have for breakfast today? What are you planning to eat today?
Today my breakfast was
the day after the diet has stopped.
It was a cup of black coffee with 1 sugar. So I'm going to stick with keeping that from the diet. And then it was a slice of bloomer with just a small covering of butter. I don't like much butter on stuff anyway, so probably only about 3 or 4 grams. And then a little spread of Marmite, which is my guilty pleasure, on toast. And then half a banana. And that's fine. Feel great. And then what I'm probably going to do is carry on with the lunches from the 14-day kickstart program, and then eat probably more normally in the evening.
Okay.
So we'll end up with, well, today, I think we worked it out, my breakfast was 260 something calories.
Oh, I'm sorry.
If lunch is about 400 and dinner about 500, we're then only looking at a total calorie intake of 12 to 1300, which is obviously a lifetime's better than
800.
Than 800, which is what we've been doing, or 850 on the Kickstart program. So it'll feel like we're eating a lot more. And actually, the challenge is to make
Can I just
sure
butt
that we
in there,
drink.
Charlie?
Right.
Okay, I don't recommend that you go into 1200 for anybody else. So I will show you how to check your maintenance level. So you check for on Google the TDEE, and I will show you how to do that. And then you get your maintenance, how much you need to eat to stay and not lose and not put weight on. And then you can take 10 or 15% or max 20 off that, okay? So I'm going to pause.
For me personally, I want to do that because I want to carry on losing weight, albeit at a slower rate, probably only 1 or 2 kilos a week instead of 4 kilos a week.
Yeah.
But you know, I'm really driven by that.
And keep the momentum up now, because
going.
We have that winning strike in our mind.
Yes, I've got.
Do you want to go through that with a little bit further on and go around?
Yeah.
Should we do that? Okay. Now, just wait a second. Okay.
Come on,
so yes, so I have lost 4.5 kilos, so it's still 6% of my body weight, and I'm really happy as well. I have exercised and done those HIIT sessions that you find inside the membership program, and just take whatever suits you. Are there more stretches or less stretches? And if you don't want to jump between the HIIT sessions or in the HIIT sessions, don't do that. So just adapt to yourself. But I completely invite you to do some sort of exercise where you really sweat and you get your heartbeat up for 30 minutes a day, okay? And they are really nice, those ones, on your membership site. They are all listed privately on YouTube, so you can just head over there and do them, and just do them even when you have stopped now, because they are, you know, they are great HIIT sessions. Okay, do you want to add anything else?
No, I will just suffice it to say that I can't wait till what it's going to be like to be able to ski with so much
less weight.
Yeah, I think the last time we went skiing I was probably about 120 kilos, and I felt good then, but my gum.
Because you had lost 13 kilo already.
I'd lost 13 kilos, but now it's going to be unstoppable.
And also,
our ski instructor son, Edward, you better watch out because I'm gunning for you.
And also something else, now you have done the 14-day Kickstart program and you wonder, what do I do now? And I am working on the 30-day shred, and then when that is done, I am doing the 90-day maintenance plan. But everything is all done on paper, but I just need to tweak it and get it down also in a proper membership site and all of that. And things do tend to take longer time than I plan, because you know, when you have a family and all, you can't just lock yourself in and ignore everybody. Anyway, thank you for doing the 14-day Kickstart program. I'm so happy and proud for you and of you, and keep the momentum up and try to eat within your maintenance calorie intake. And if you like to go on with weight loss, reduce that maintenance calorie intake with 10 to 15 to 20% per day, okay? Lots of love to you all, and also if you have any questions whatsoever, please PM me, DM me, put a point, something here below, any way to contact me, and I will always answer your questions. Lots of love wherever you are in the world. Take care, and thank you for having done this. Bye bye.